Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create great live photos on iPhone. It's easy to shoot a live photo with your iPhone. Simply open the built-in iPhone camera app and select photo mode at the bottom of the screen. The live photos icon, three circles, is at the top right of the screen. If it doesn't have a line through it, Live Photos is switched on. If the icon has a line through it, tap it to turn on Live Photos. A live photo captures 3 seconds of movements and sounds. Therefore, ensure you compose your shot and hold it there for a couple of seconds before you press the shutter. If you don't do this, the first part of your live photo will be of you moving the camera to frame the shot. If you're taking an action shot of a person, you might need to tell your subject to move when you take the photo. Do this at least a couple of seconds before you press the shutter so that you don't capture your voice in the live photo. Now, to play a live photo, it appears in the Photos app alongside your ordinary still image. You also find it in a separate album titled Live Photos. Unfortunately, in thumbnail view, there's no way of knowing whether an image is a live photo. Tap on the image thumbnail so it opens in full screen. If it's a live photo, you'll see the word live at the top of the photo. To view the live photo animation, hold your finger down on the photo. As soon as you remove it, the video will stop playing. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.